Uyabona lolu daba lama-foreigners, awuyongibuza ungiphalulime kusazolwa abantu la kusazoxabana abantu. Isazoya as long as beqhubeka beyiphusha i-movement bethi asikhathali, soyiphusha harder than this. Ngiyakutshela kusazoke kube South Africans against South Africans, ngoba eqinisweni kuzoba ukuthi njengamanje njengoba kade bekhuluma nje abanye bethena bosisi yekelani laba bantu no zijwayeze kuyimanje ubakhiphe enhlizweni yakho kuyimanje sho ngathi ubaba wengane yakho, ngoba soon and very soon sobaxosha thina. Kusazolwa ama-South African versus South Africans, whereby ama-South Africans la athi awafuna ama-foreigners, futhi engingawafuneni kwama-foreigners abaningi noma engekhona ukuthi bonke banomqondo wokuthi ama-foreigners, whether ngisho ungayiproduce i-documentation uthi nje just foreigners akabafuni, unenzondo nama-foreigners, uthatha istress sakhe sendlala sokugejwa amathuba la eMzansi, sokuthi impilo yakhe uthola ukuthi uthi uyabuka ngathi ayindawo, bese lolo laka elikhiphela kuma-foreigners. Uthola ukuthi mawuthi uyambuza ukuthi yena amongst ama-problems akhona aswathatheni ama-problems siwabeke la esinawo eMzansi, ngabe le problem mangathiwa uyayiweya compared lana iyona problem esixakile yini, noma kuyiyona problem ebanga iy'nkinga ngempela eseyixakile? Uzothola ukuthi ama-problems okuyingempela axakile nakuyingempela ayi-cause yesimo sakhe noma ungasebenzi. Akhona lawo ma-problems akuma-politician, kodwa ngeke waqonda ama-politician. Uzoncamela ukudivert ethena asiqaleni ngokukhipha abantu bangaphandle ekhaya kumele ukhiphe kuqala abantu bangaphandle ivakashi, bese kuba yima ulwa ney'nkinga zasegcekeni, ukhuluma into engekho. Eminyakeni esikuyo njengamanje ye-democracy over 30 years, uke walwa naziphi iy'nkinga? Ukwazi ulwa naziphi iy'nkinga? Ngoba lezi nkinga okhuluma ngazo othi uzolwa nazo mase kuphuma abantu bangaphandle iy'nkinga ey'bevele zikhona, awukazi uyi-attempt, awukazi uyizame ngisho ukuzilwa. Wena uya la ekwehlela ngakhona, uya kulaba aba-weak. That's a problem. Khona inkulumo ekuyakhulunywa ubhuti omdala, ubhuti uPhakela Umthakathi. By the way, ubhuti engimthandayo-ke engimhlonipha kakhulu, makukhulunywa nje ngesintu, ngeculture yamaZulu, ngicabanga ukuthi kimina kuwo wonke umuntu omZulu ngichemile-ke naloya ngobuZulu. Mawufuna ukubona ngisho ngathiwa kufika abantu baphesheya noma kufika umuntu wakwesinye isizwe ufuna ukwazi ngobuZulu ukuthi bubukeka kanjani, ngingathi mina akaye kubhuti uPhakela Umthakathi. Kodwa khona la enkulumeni yakhe ake wathi yena whether ba-illegal noma ba-legal akusho lutho, abahambe bonke, manje sifuna ukusolve iy'nkinga zethu. Ngasho ukuthi njengamanje lento akayikhulumayo ayikho right, ayikho correct futhi. Kusho ukuthi njengamanje uzolanda ngisho ama-professionals, ulande ngisho abantu ama-investors angama-foreigner la eMzansi, uthi phela kumele usethi standard noma i-principle ezoba applicable yonke indawo, ngayi ibe partial, ngayi futhi ibe biased, ngayi kube ukuthi uyisebenzisa kubantu abathini. Ma kuyi-principle, it must be principle. Manje ma ukuthi nayi investor nangumuntu oyi-professional oweza la eMzansi osisiza kakhulu, mhlawumbe udokotela ongalapha ngisho uma wakho, ongalapha ngisho ubaba wakho, oyi-specialist kuleso skill leso, uthola ukuthi wena uthi noma illegal la eMzansi akahambe. Leso statement nje besi-wrong. Kube ileso ukuthi inakho njani, bese kuba ukuthi ke kuzoxabana abantu basemzansi against abantu basemzansi ngoba khona abantu abangakholelwa njengami ekutheni lezi inkinga ze-employment because ama-foreigners. Khona abantu abangakholelwa njengami engifisa ngisho ukube kuyenzeka ngabe ngisho ezikoleni ama-facilities esinawo kuthathwa ngisho befakwe ku-database makukhona abantu bama-foreigners abasebenzisa i-hospital, makukhona iy'ngane zama-foreign ey'ngenile ey'fundayo kuthathwa ku-database bese kuyabuka ukuthi zingakanani. Zingakanani uzothola ukuthi ukuthi-ke leyo nto leyo is true ukuthi abazondelwa ukuthi ba-occupy mhlampe indawo yokufunda, ba-occupy isibhedlela. Mangathiwa mangahlethwa upresident wesizwe salabo bantu ethi okay sharp, malini ibudget engingayikhipha ngiyilethe eSouth Africa for laba bantu manithi inkinga yenu, basically i-budget egcina isebenze kubona avela ayikhiphe uzothini. Kuzocaca futhi after that ukuthi it was never about ukuthi usebenzisa ama-resources akho, yinzondo enzima yokustrikwa inhlupheko yokuthi izinto mayingahambi ugcine uye la obona ukuthi okuwiki ngakhona. Ngokwenze njalo nje already uzenza uhlupheke kakhulu ngoba uyoqonda kwi-direction lakho ni-problem yakhe engaveli khona. Already so-wrong, ayiveli lapho i-problem yakho kodwa into ezogcina yenzeke kuzoxabana South Africans against South Africans whereby khona nje abantu abanemiqasho ewu-20, imqasho ewu-20, abantu abawu-17 lapho ama-foreigners agcwalisa imqasho yabo. Mawuke the day sebekhishwa uzorealize manje ukuthi ngeke phela bese abanye abanemali bazobribe zona lezi ikhondla ezihola abantu phambili ukuthi awahamba bebribe zona bemnyeke lo muntu onama-foreign bexosha amanye ama-foreigner angeze ubribelwa umuntu. That is how abantu abamnyama ba-operator ngakhona bazokwenza njalo. Kube ey'tolo ngihamba amadolobha amaningi ngabo ngoba ngiyilike eNomelmont, ngirealizile onke amadolobha kuqashe iy'tolo ey'ningi iqashe abantu amaSulumane. Mina ngonyaka odlule ngingafuna ukuqasha esinye isitolo, bangifuna ama-bank statement, financial statement, financial projection, bangifuna zonke izinto ngayikhipha base bethena ubangani no-Absa, sibona lana u-Absa bla bla bla, nemoto i-truck engayithatha kwa-Absa sahubhana ngabameli nabo ngaleyo truck, bangirejectela lokho ukuthi mina angikhokhela u-Absa bla bla bla, bangirejecta. Mase ngiyabuza-ke i-question, ngabe ba-aplaye into abayi-aplaya konke ngisho lama-foreigners bathi wena ma umuntu wala eMzansi mawuthi uyangena bazothi bafuna lezo zinto kodwa uyibuze agcwala kanjani amaSulumane, uzothola ukuthi nabaphathi mall, abantu abaphethe ama-mall ngisho ama-mall amakhulu sebarealize ukuthi ma ufuna ukungabi ney'nkinga kwi-mall yakho, imali ingene one way, ungabi nongena phuma default kuma-installment kuma-rent, landa umuntu wangaphandle oza futhi o-serious ngalento azoyenza. Lento uzothola ukuthi ngisho usuthi uxosha abantu bangaphandle, you are going to tamper with the interest even yabantu o-businessmen nabanikazi bama-mall nabanikazi bama-development e-society. And then bese yaqala lento ingabe isalunga, nixabane nodwa kube khona ababulalana bodwa asebebizwa ngamambuka ekusemele bedutshulele lokho ukuthi they are now pursuing interest against le agenda yokuthi ama-foreigners awahambe. So kuningi ekuzokwenzeka la kwi-country ma ukuthi kuyaqhubeka kwenziwa lezi ngendlela engahlelekile. Bantu abamnyama ingani indlela ehlelekile yobuholi benu, ubuholi benu buthini? Sikhulumile isilo sangayisho leyo nto, no government akayisho leyo nto. ubani wena oyitshela ukuthi uzoyithathela amandla ngokwakho.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Inalenzaba lekhulunywa nguMr Xulu uthi indzabi ukuthi ama-South Africans aqoshe ama-foreigners la South Africa satushuba since siyariko ukuthi kunemantombazane la Tanzania nema-foreigners samba nebantwana nema-foreigners some are doing business or making money through ma-foreigners bayabaqashisa tinto letiningi nje guys, so people are just saying ukuthi ma-South Africans atogqine alwa nema-South Africans lamanye over ama-foreigners kesana because they are gonna defend them kuthiwe no abahambi labantu ba-right because there are people who are actually benefiting from ma-foreigners. Do you think what Mr. Xulu is saying is true? Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.